The most painful arguments in your life didn't happen because you were wrong. They happened because you couldn't get the other person to understand you. Meanwhile, people who mastered communication get the respect, the opportunities and the relationships that you could have. This rune formula will help you improve your ability to communicate. In the end of the video I will show you how to use it. The runes are Ansus, Gebo, Lagus, Ingles, Yera. The rune Ansus is the rune of speech, a rune of the mental sphere, a rune related to god Odin. This rune will help you to improve your speech, your ability to speak, and also improve your voice. Gebo is the rune of relationships and communication, the rune of working with other people and having a harmonious relationships with them. The rune Lagus is the rune of a stream of energy, an uninterrupted process. So your speech, the energy you create with your voice, will be like a flowing river. The rune Ingwas is the rune of wholeness and completeness. This energy will be transmitted from your voice. The rune Yera is the rune of a cyclical nature, so all these previous positive energies will be cyclically working and bringing you positive results with your communication. Activate this rune formula using the next incantation. By the power of these runes, my ability to communicate will be greatly increased. So be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper, then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.